just got this wetsuit in the mail. I thrifted it from Goodwill. I got it from the Goodwill app, actually. I was looking for skateboards and saw a Roxy wetsuit. It's a size too large, but it was a really good price. It was only $13, and then I had to pay almost $20 for shipping, but still, it's a pretty good deal. I've been looking for another 3-2 wetsuit for a while. My husband threw my wetsuit into the dryer and shrank it accidentally. So I needed a new one, and I'm glad I didn't have to spend a whole lot of money. I'm gonna open this up and make sure it's in good shape. If it's not, I do have repair stuff that I can use, wetsuit repair gear, but I'm absolutely going to wash it first. Of course, I'm just gonna hand wash it in a tub, plastic tub. Ciao, girls. No, no. This is not. Stop. Okay, so it doesn't smell so far, but we'll see. Here it is. I like the colors, turquoise, black. It is a back zip. I did have some pictures of. There's like a little, I mean, it's probably just dirt or wax or something. And fine. All right, gonna hand wash it now. All right, so it's all dried off. Had some pulling. Maybe this isn't too bad. I haven't noticed any damage yet. Okay. All right, gotta put it on. I have put a little tags right here, a little plastic tag, and punctured the neoprene. That's nice. So this is a suit. See it? Oh, it's really hard to see. Oh, don't look at that. Again, the lighting is terrible. I just turned on another light. But so this is a suit. I really like the coloring. It's I guess this is a hibiscus turquoise. My suit, my regular Roxy 3-2, also has just black with like the turquoise Roxy symbol, which is 2 quicksilver symbols turned. If you didn't know that already, it took me years to figure that out. So here it is. It does feel a little bit tight for being one size bigger than what I normally wear, but also I could just be expanding. It's possible. Anyway, but it's always good to have a couple suits to change into when you're traveling. And I don't know how much my other suit shrank. So this is my regular Roxy suit. It's got the little Roxy symbol right above the bum. It is also a 3-2. It's a little bit smaller symbol. Here's the comparison. Pretty good for, how much was it? Yeah, so this was $15 on Goodwill, the Goodwill app, ShopGoodwill. I don't know what countries the app is available in. I know in the US and probably Canada it's available. So keep that in mind before you try to order something. Shipping was $13, so total is about $30 for everything, but that's been done. I mean, it doesn't have any rips in it, and even if it did, I mean, I guess I'll discover it when I go in the water, but even if it did, it's only a 3-2, so the water's not gonna be that cold. I can also repair it with some wetsuit repair kits. I also do some minor hand sewing. I have a sewing machine, but I wouldn't use it on this, obviously. Unfortunately, I cannot try this out in the water until about June, so that's when the water's finally starting to warm up. So we wear a 5-form winter wetsuit with the hood, booties, gloves, etc. here in the mid-Atlantic until about end of May. So that sucks. I should not try this out in the pool because chlorine just destroys the neoprene and everything. And the lakes here are pretty much frozen. Not quite frozen, but they're also 40 degrees. So won't be trying it out anytime soon unless I go on vacation, which I'm really not planning on in the next 6 months. So anyway, yeah. Yeah, I like it so far. It is a little tight, but that's okay. Maybe I should just use weight. Thanks for watching.